This is formula y is equal to mx plus a by m. Always touch the parabola y square is equal to 4ax at the point a by m square 2a by m for all real value of m. That means this is equation of tangent to this parabola, and this tangent touch at the point a by m square 2a by m. Comparing this equation of parabola with this equation, we see that 4a is equal to 8. That means a is equal to 2. When we put 2 here in place of a, then this is equation of tangent to this parabola y square is equal to 8x for all real value of m. If this tangent passes through the point -4, 0, then coordinate of this point will satisfy this equation. Putting -4 in place of x and 0 in place of y, we get this. After solving it, we get m is equal to ±1 by √2. This is slope of tangent. Out of these two value of m, positive value 1 by √2 is slope of this tangent. M is equal to 1 by √2. And negative value is slope of this tangent. M is equal to -1 by √2. Why negative value is slope of this tangent? Because this tangent makes an obtuse angle with x-axis. Positive value of n is slope of this tangent because this tangent makes an acute angle with x-axis. Since this tangent touch the parabola y square is equal to 4ax at the point a by m square 2a by m, putting a is equal to 2 and m is equal to 1 by √2. In this coordinate, we get coordinate of point A 4 √2. The coordinate of this point is 4 √2. And putting m is equal to -1 by √2 and a is equal to 2. In this coordinate, we get coordinate of point B 4 -4 √2. 4 -4 √2. Distance between 2 points with coordinate x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by this formula. Since O is origin and its coordinate is 0, 0, therefore distance between point O and A, that is equal to length of line segment OA, will be equal to this by using this formula. Similarly, distance between point A and point B, that means length of line segment AB, will be equal to this by using this formula. In any triangle ABC, perpendiculars drawn from each vertices ABC to the opposite side BC, CA, AB meet at a point. This point is called orthocenter of triangle ABC. To find the coordinate of orthocenter of any triangle, we can find equation of AD, equation of BE, and then solve to find the point of intersection of AD and BE. In this way, we can find coordinate of orthocenter. We have to find coordinate of orthocenter of triangle ABC. First we join AB and suppose it intersects x-axis at D. Since x-coordinate of point A is 4, x-coordinate of point B is 4. X-coordinate of both the points are same. It is equal to 4. That means AB is perpendicular to x-axis. AB is perpendicular to x-axis. If AB is perpendicular to x-axis, that means CD is perpendicular to AB. That means perpendicular drawn from the vertex C to the opposite side meet at D, meet at point D. If two lines be perpendicular and slope of one line be m, then slope of another line will be -1 by m. We draw perpendicular from point A to CB and suppose this perpendicular meet at E. Since slope of CB is -1 by √2 and AE is perpendicular to this CB, therefore slope of AE will be -1 by slope of this line, that is equal to √2. Equation of a straight line with slope m and passing through point x1, y1 is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Since AE passes through the point 4 √2 and its slope is √2, therefore equation of AE by using this formula will be y minus 4 √2 is equal to √2 times x minus 4. This implies y is equal to √2x. Y is equal to √2x is equation of AE. equation of AE is y is equal to root 2x. This is equation of AE. Since 0, 0 satisfy this equation, that means this line, that means AE passes through origin. AE passes through origin and CD also passes through origin. That means point of intersection of AE and CD is this point origin. Therefore, orthocenter of triangle ABC will be origin whose coordinate is 0, 0.